Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off a Discord notification sound. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord. Now here on your Discord, guys, in order for you to turn off notification, you could just simply go for the user settings over here down below on the bottom left corner of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to just simply scroll down until you find over here notifications. So now here on the notifications, make sure you have the enable desktop notification turned off in order for you to fix the issue, and you will have multiple notification filters as well over here that you might want to consider. Now if you scroll down over here, you will have the sounds as well, so make sure if you want to turn off the sounds, you can turn this off as well. So pretty much over here you will have a very complex options and features that you might want to turn off based on your own personal preferences. So pretty much from here, you should be able to turn off notification. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.